Welcome to Learning Bites, short bites of information you can apply immediately. This month we're covering a new topic and we're going to be exploring the topic of unity. Because there's 5 weeks in this month and there's 5 letters in unity, I'm going to use one letter for each week and unpack it a little bit further to show you how you can be more unified within yourself, within your team, and within the success that you're aiming to get. So let's start off looking at the letter U. And quite aptly, that means that we're going to start where we always do when we do our training, and that's around your mindset. Let's look at you, okay? And using the letter U, this is the key element I'd like you to start on this week. How well do you understand yourself? I'll often say to people, rate how well you understand yourself or how well you know yourself on a scale of 0 to 10. And people, put all sorts of different figures in there. And then I ask basic things like, do you know your height? Do you know your blood pressure? Do you know your blood type? Do you know the buttons that push you? And then do you know how to stop reacting when you feel your button being pushed? How well do you actually know you? Are you just aware that actually I get mad when this happens or I get sad when that happens? Or do you understand yourself well enough to know how you act and react in different circumstances? For example, when you're working with a team, do you understand how other people's personalities, other people's aspirations, other people's cultures, other people's upbringings can rub against yours, can create a tension which, if leveraged well, will be a positive tension? Do you understand how you can make a difference in a team? And most importantly, do you understand the value that you as an individual bring to a team? You see, if you want unity, the very first thing that you have to be unified in is within yourself. Now, there's a lot of talk nowadays, and it's a very, popular thing to have peace and have balance, and there's this thing around mindfulness and topics like that. And the reason it's taken off with such a spark is quite simply this: it matters. The way you act, the way you react, the balance you have within yourself. Do you bring a well-balanced, unified person to teams, to relationships, to events, to projects? How well do you know you? How well do you understand yourself and the value that you bring? When we are clear on that, when we are at peace with ourselves, when we know what we value, it then allows us, in the balance that we have, to then align with an organization that aligns with our core values, with the purposes that we hold dear. And that is the start of unity. When somebody who is unified within themselves, they're comfortable and balanced with their views, their beliefs, their understandings, their ability to monitor themselves, their emotional intelligence, and they then join a company, an organization, a team, and find an alignment in that. So the start of unity, understand yourself. Give that some thought, and I look forward to your success.